Want to travel the world without leaving one place? LEGO fans, this one's for you! GMG Productions opened Brickman Wonders of the World at the Space Insula Resort Entertainment City Parañaque on December 15. Visitors can explore famous landmarks from all around the world, all recreated in LEGO bricks. Some of the world's most famous landmarks are on display, including the Taj Mahal in India, the Leaning Tower of Pisa in Italy, the Statue of Liberty in New York, and the Titanic. You can also see the Mona Lisa in Paris, the Merlion in Singapore, and Big Ben in London. The exhibition encourages creativity, with hidden Lego pieces scattered throughout. It's designed for both children and adults, making it a fun holiday for the whole family. We also had the chance to join the Mystery Mosaic, where visitors create individual Lego models based on a picture, and the staff assemble them into one big mystery model, which will be revealed soon. The exhibit runs until February 8th. Tickets are available now at Ticket World. Don't miss your chance to explore the world in LEGO style before the exhibit closes. Visited the exhibit too? Share your photos in the R Life chat room on the Rappler Communities app.